taking the live stuff.
Yeah.
We're just cutting it off there. I reckon we just load everything directly in, so no chipping. Just load it directly in there with the excavator. Okay. So I can tell you be my groundy, and then we'll use the winch on the ute over there.
Today ran pretty good. We had like a big dead tree right next to a power line that the council has asked us to kind of bring down to its like last branch, but still has a bit of life coming out of it. The access was a little bit uncomfortable with a steep bank, but we were able to kind of pull the fence back a little bit so we could manoeuvre with the winch and the excavator to kind of help us carry up the big, like heavy pieces of wood and then load it back in the truck.
Things went really smooth. We were able to clean up all the material and get the fence put back up and keep the site nice and clean. Didn't go anywhere near the power lines, so all our plans paid off.
Job is done.